We're going to add one little effect here, actually a couple little effects. First, let's finish off this navigation. We're going to add a sound effect into this, so whenever the arrow key is pressed, we're going to have a little click. So, go to the actually remove the character selection from this background object and put it on the main camera instead. That was my bad. Change the size back to 5 of the GUI styles. Rename these button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, and then drag that GUI skin back on here and save it. That's just to make this next step easier, where we're going to add an audio source, and this one already has one. So click on the main camera now, which has your character selection script. Go to Component, Audio, Audio Source, and then in your Sounds folder in the project window, go to Click and drag that on. Then uncheck Plan Awake and save it. So now here in our update function, we can say if any of these arrow keys are down, then we'll play the click sound. So if input dot get key down key code dot up arrow, or copy and paste action, get key down key code down arrow, or paste get key down key code left arrow, or paste get key down key code right arrow, and one more parentheses, and then open and close brackets. So if any of the arrow keys are pressed, audio dot play, and we'll play the audio source, the click. So simulate that, and you hear a little clicking sound. Okay, last thing, we're going to need to have a little selection effect. We're going to put a full screen texture that tells you what character you selected. So let's see. Create a new variable to store. That's actually going to be another built-in array to store those textures. They're going to be these textures here, full screen. So var char text, they're going to be texture 2D, and open and close brackets to make it a built-in array. Go into your main camera object with that script, change the size of character text to 4, and then drag these 4 textures. Select cat, select Noesis bot, select skeleton, and select soldier onto there. Now we can display those on select character. So after the active state,